province in Laos. This outfit is usually worn by a Hmong who speaks the white dialect. White Hmong is a woman outfit, can be worn with pants or skirts. This outfit usually includes the shirt, apron, a green and red sash, pants or skirt, and traditional turban head wrap with this outfit. Besides the turban head wrap, some women also wear a different head wrap called the flower hat with it too. This outfit is usually completed with a necklace and coin sash. Next, we have the Hmong green outfit, and it is a style of clothing that is worn by Hmong who speaks the green dialect. The difference between the Hmong Jua and Hmong De outfit is that with the Hmong Jua, the pants for the men and boys are baggy, while it is not for Hmong De. Hmong Jua woman's outfit usually consists of colorful skirt, while Hmong De woman does not wear the colorful skirt. Next, we have the Hmong Sing outfit within the Hmong De group. The difference of this outfit is that it originates from the Sing Kwa province, hence the clothes is called Hmong Sing. During the New Year, women would usually wear this outfit and adorned with a sao, a coin sash, and a money bag. The men and boys would usually wear a coin vest with black pants and a sash for the New Year. Next, we have the Hmong Sai, which is Hmong stripe outfit, is from the San Noa province in Laos. The Hmong who wore this in and around this region is called Hmong Sai Ba because of the colorful stripes that's on the sleeves. This one is the way that people are distinguished which province your family is from. The Hmong Sai Ba outfit for women usually consists of shirt, pants, apron, and a red and green sash, and a traditional head wrap. During the New Year's, women will also adorn this outfit with a coin sash and money bag. Next, we have the Hmong Shua, which is Hmong Chinese outfit in a style from the Hmong people living in China. This outfit is very colorful and heavily beaded. Usually, the outfit consists of the shirt, apron, and skirt, sash, hat, and leg wraps. The embroidery on the Hmong Shua outfit is handmade, but today it's machine-made instead. With the Hmong Shua men outfit, it's usually less colorful, and Hmong Shua outfit today is customized and styled to fit the wearer of the trending styles. Next, we have the Hmong Pai outfit, and that is from Thailand. This outfit is customized to the person that will be wearing it. The embroidery style on it is different from other styles of Hmong clothes. Likewise, the women or girls outfit consists of the shirt, apron, skirt, and sash. The men's outfit usually consists of the vest, pants, and sash, and during the New Year, the women and girls would adorn their outfits with a coin sash and sao. Last but not least, we have the Hmong Mika, which is Hmong American. This outfit is a modern take of the traditional Hmong clothes. Usually, these are made to fit the styles that's popular and trending or customized to the wearer's preference. With today's fashion, the Hmong Mika outfit varies in many different styles, with it being a fusion with Western clothing to give it its modern twist. So I want to thank our Gomte Youth Program for putting this together, especially to our parents who took the time to put these outfits together, as we do understand that these outfits are very, very expensive. It takes a lot of time to take them out of our very dusty closets. So thank you so much, and please applaud our Gomte Youth Program.